In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money onto Pocket Option using Cash App. Now, before I get into the process, I want to be transparent with you guys. This will only work in certain areas of the world. This will not work across all regions. Only certain areas can actually do this functionality. But in this video, I'm going to let you know if your country or region actually does have the feature to include Cash App as a way to deposit money. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Pocket Option and make sure you are logged into your account. Then go to the left menu and select over here where it does say finance. From here, go ahead and select on deposit. Now, where it says your country/region, go ahead and enter in your region. However, only some regions will actually allow you to do this process. So let's say, for example, you're from the United Kingdom. You'll notice that you'll get an option to deposit funds using a Visa or MasterCard. And for those guys who do not know, Cash App actually does run on the Visa network. So it is still considered a Visa debit card. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on Visa, MasterCard right over here. And once you select on this, you guys could actually use Cash App as a means to deposit funds onto Pocket Option. Now, like I said before, this will not work on all countries or regions. So let's say, for example, I chose the United States of America. Unfortunately, you'll notice that we will not get the option that does say Visa or MasterCard. So again, this will work depending on where your location is. So once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and just select on Visa, MasterCard just like so, and select on how much you actually want to go ahead and deposit. Now, obviously, if you've never done this before, then you will need to go ahead and verify your profile. And this does include verifying your address as well. However, if you are in an area that does allow Visa, MasterCards, then you guys can just select on how much money you want to deposit. Then you want to go ahead and press on next. Now, you need to go ahead and actually enter in your Cash App account number and stuff like that. And I'm going to show you guys exactly where to find it on the Cash App application. All right, guys, so now we're here in the Cash App application. And all we want to do is we want to go to the bottom menu and select on the card icon just like so. Now, my screen is going to go black for privacy reasons. However, if you do have the Cash App debit card, then you should be able to see your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV as well. And you will need to input all this information onto Pocket Option. And from there, you're able to go ahead and deposit funds onto Pocket Option. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.